Hey guys, welcome back to Severe Statements, and today we're going to be going over a question I get asked a lot, and that is, what is a Derecho? So when I start talking about the Derecho, people just stand there thinking, well, I don't really know what he's talking about, so I'm going to do it. And they'll go, oh, well, he must be thinking of the Battle of Jericho. And no, Derecho. The tornado-producing, gusty winds, flood-making, supercell structure that stretches on from vast miles at end. They'll just stand there, still not wondering what I'm talking about. So from Severe Statements, this is, what is a Derecho? So as it states on Wikipedia, a Derecho from the Spanish word derecho, straight, is a widespread, long-lived, straight-line windstorm that is associated with fast-moving group of severe thunderstorms known as a mesoscale convective system. Derecho can cause hurricane-force winds, tornadoes, heavy rains, and flash floods. So again, these are very dangerous storms. They can stretch on for miles at end, possibly lasting days. They've gone from Kansas all the way to the East Coast, so if you're on the path of one of these, you're almost guaranteed going to be hit by severe weather. So again, Derechos consists of these beautiful looking clouds that everybody mostly knows as shelf clouds. They're just stretched across the skies for as far as the eye can see, and they come from every shape, from sleek to sea to bent, and even ghastly images like these that are pretty scary, honestly, to look at. So if you live up here in Derecho Alley, over here in the central Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois area, that's where Derechos are most common to happen. So the 21, 16, 12, 18, 6 numbers is how many Derechos have happened there the last 20 years. So this is kind of how a Derecho develops. So as you see in this green square right here, that's where the supercells start, and then stretches out to this huge area, all the way over to the East Coast. So over here, this is where that kind of started. You can see the tornado warnings are on the farther ends and the far southern ends. So that's where the supercells are, most likely the echo hook areas. So as you can see, it's stretched hundreds of miles across over multiple states and reached all the way over to the East Coast before petering out over the sea. So again, it went from this little tiny area up here in Iowa, and stretched out to this hundreds of mile wide area over multiple states that produce severe weather all the way down to the East Coast. So as you can see, this is how a normal Derecho will develop. We'll start over here, or somewhere, and a bunch of clustered supercells will come together and form this line, like a bowl almost looking like object, or storm, line of storm. So in this yellow circle right here, this is where the bow will start to mature out and where the strongest wind gusts could be expected, along with very heavy rains. In this black circle is where they'll start to die down again, and this is where you can expect more hail, downbursts, and very heavy rains as the storm kind of loses its strength. Then over here in the southern edge, this is where the supercells will kind of spin back up again, possibly some more rotation in there, and they'll kind of go over into the red ring too, as more rotation could be expected in those areas. So again, Derechos can last for hundreds of miles on end. They've gone all the way across the United States before, over multiple states, and lasting all the way from Kansas to the East Coast. So if you're in the path of a Derecho this summer, just be extremely aware. Make sure you're severe weather aware. Make sure you got your kit ready, and just be ready to take your severe plan into action. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, especially stay safe this summer as these storms come rolling through. So just have a good year, and see you later. Thanks for watching.